So today I'm going to take you through a brief walkthrough on Cash App on desktop. So if you already have the app, I'm going to show you how to use it. And if you don't already have Cash App, you do have to sign up through an Android or an iPhone, which I'll have a link down below, plus a free bonus for you utilizing that referral, as well as supporting this channel. So let's go ahead and jump onto the desktop here. This is what Cash App looks like on the web browser. It is called just cash.app. And that's pretty much it. So what we're gonna do here is pretty easy. Up at the very top left, you're gonna see where it says sign in. I'll draw a little arrow right over here. So it shows sign in, and then we're gonna go ahead and click on that. And if you've never signed in before here on desktop, it is going to ask you for the email or phone number that you do have on file. So what we're going to do is go ahead and type in the phone number and jump up to the next step, which is going to ask for a security code so you can verify that that is, of course, your phone number and your account. All right, now that I typed in my phone number, it is sending me the confirmation code. And once I get that code in, I will just go ahead and plug that information in. All right, once you go ahead and plug in that special code they send you through text, it is going to ask you to verify your PIN that you already have set through Cash App, which is like logging into the actual app itself. If you use Face ID, it still does ask you for a PIN, so just make sure you memorize what that PIN was. Once you do that, we're gonna go into the next step here. All right, so here we are on the desktop for Cash App, and it looks somewhat similar to the mobile version. So if maybe you are at home and wanna do some payments by sending somebody something without having to grab your phone, this is an easy way to do it. You could see activity, you could see your balance, like you can see right here, you could see your settings, and of course also signing out as well. So for the activity, I currently don't have anything showing up here. You can click on statements if you want to look at past history. You can click on your balance here. It'll show you your card. You can cash out from online as well. And then currently for me, of course, I have it blurred out, but you can see your account number and your routing number, as well as if you scroll down, you're going to be able to see your cash limits, such as your spend, your receive, how much cash you can add, as well as cashing out in total. So that's going to be everything you can see right over there, which is really nice, just kind of gives you a brief overview. And if you go to your settings, you can go over here and you can get a whole bunch of information for yourself, such as allowing people to send you money, being able to add or remove phone numbers or emails, being able to change your PIN if you absolutely need to. Makes things a lot easier for you if you want to do it through the desktop version versus the mobile. And then if we click back into the activities feed over here, this is going to show you everything that is going on with your activities. When we first loaded it up, it didn't show anything, but when I actually clicked activities, it does show everything as far as me sending money, receiving money, just all of those different things that are going on through your Cash App. But like I said, you can also go through your statements. There's also a little search functionality. If you click over here, you can search by transaction name, amount, or even the notes if you had to do it as well. You can also click on this new button down over here, so you can actually send money to friends and family members to be able to go through the process of actually having that money sent to them. So you can type in their cash name, cash tag, their text phone number, or their email address. So any of those things will work. And there's a full reason, so make sure you put in a description. You do have to put something in at least. And then, of course, either the pay or the request. If you are requesting that money, it'll go to them, and then they have to accept it. So you can do like $100, or you can do, $10.10 if you needed to, whatever the case may be. So you just type it all in through that keyboard. So once you do that, you can hit that pay, and then it'll send it over and you are good to go. And that's essentially how you use the Cash App functionalities on desktop. If you want to keep learning more with tutorials on Cash App, check out my video right over here to keep on watching. My name is Dennis, and I'll see you in that next video.